Hi, this is Vanashri Gunjan and I am pursuing BTech from CSE. I have done my online training from EME Technologies. As you know, in this pandemic situation, we are not allowed for offline training, so we go through online training, and I'm very satisfied with EME Technology. They provided study materials which is very helpful for me to understand Java. I have done my training during my diploma time, but this time I have learned something new and which is very helpful for me. In our college, they did not teach us for knowledge, they just teach for marks, but EME Technology teaches for knowledge. I have gained so much of knowledge through it. Thank you so much.